How to set the flower curl in your hair. Step 1. Brush your hair and put your hair up in a high ponytail. Step 2. Section the hair according to the number of rings. Step 3. Grab the first section of hair, brush it, spritz some water, and you're going to grab that first section of hair through one of the rings. Step 4. Wrap the hair around the ring. Step 5. Before you reach the end of the tress, you're going to insert the first bobby pin. Wrap the remaining tress and insert second bobby pin. Step 6. Grab the finished ring and secure on the top of the scalp with a couple more bobby pins. And that's it. You're going to repeat the process for the remaining rings and then enjoy your beauty sleep. For more tutorials, visit cordina.co.uk.